So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I manifested my dream house through a WhatsApp message. So if you know me by now, I try to be very optimistic, but I am not. I fail to be a very optimistic person. I tend to be a little bit pessimistic, negative thinking. ये सब कुछ होता है, which I'm being very honest. And being such a person, how am I manifesting things? Here is the tea. So the house that I am living in, that you see right now, we have been asked to vacate because some reason we have asked to vacate the house, and we live in a complex. मतलब कि 100 से ज्यादा घरों हैं यहाँ पे. We have more than 100 houses here. So for us, the comfort, the safety, everything in the same apartment is very, very good. So we wanted to shift to an apartment in the same building. But the competition here is so high. So what I did was I signed up in these apps called as No Broker and Magic Bricks, jahan pe you go and ask for houses, you see for houses. So just like that, we did go and visit a house. We visited the house. It was not nice, but the owner asked me, like, how are you feeling? Do you like the house? And you know what I did? I lied. I said, thank you so much. I'll add the screenshot here. I said, thank you, sir, but we got a house in our same apartment. We got a house right next door in our same apartment. At that time, it did not happen. It was a lie that I said, but I lied with full faith that it should happen, it will happen. And I just lied that, and he said, okay, ma'am, have a safe stay. Thank you so much. And we just parted ways. So we were searching, and then in the same app, we found that my apartment name, a building, was put up as rent. I was like, I'm searching the whole world for a same apartment in the same flat, and it is put here. And then we immediately proceeded, and you know what? We got the house. So it is in the same flat. Congratulations to me. It is in the same flat, it is in the same complex. But what am I trying to tell here? I lied about something and it became true. So I lied it with a hope कि वो सच हो जाए, कि this will happen. You know, there is a new term in Gen Z which is delulu. Delulu is the only solulu. Delusion is the only solution. When you fix something like a mad person, कि ये जरूर होगा मेरे साथ, this will happen, then it is bound to happen. Sometimes it won't. This time it happened with me. So with just a false message, I lied about something, but with full hope and faith, and it ended up to be true. So what am I trying to tell here? We usually tend to be very, 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 practical in life. Have you seen children? They are the most zero practicalness they have. They are not practical. अगर ये चाहिए तो चाहिए. So I want us all to be these little kids who want something and God will give it. So ask for something like a baby, like a child does to her mother, and see it delivered. That is how the universe works. What do you think? Universe knows Marathi, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. It understands languages. No, it understands only emotions. Ab jitna emotionally you are asking, and with what you do for that hard work, not simply sitting, it gets delivered to you. So I wanted to come here and share this video. I was about to go somewhere, which is why makeup. And yes, I do provide one-to-one counseling for anxiety. That's my specialty. Anxiety, depression, life decisions. If you come and talk to me for that 1 hour, I bet you go with a clarity. It's God's gift. There is a WhatsApp number given below. Please check that out. And I will see you all in another video. Bye-bye.